Hey everyone, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look using the Natasha Denona Retro palette. This is the newest palette from Natasha Denona and I can't wait for you guys to see it. I also created a separate video just for the swatches, so check that out. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. First I'm gonna do is prep my skin. A lot of you guys don't really care about skincare, but sound off if you do and you care about it. I usually just use this water jelly from Huda Beauty, the water jelly hydrating primer. This one will moisturize your skin without making it oily. I use 2 to 3 pumps. So there are 2 kinds of skincare that I stay away from. One is a very oily skincare. 2 is that skincare that peels off when it dries. I hate that. This one is really good too. This one is from Wishful. This is a sister brand from Huda Beauty. Thirst Trap Juice. This one has peptide and HA3. I like putting this on my lips as well. For my lips, I'm going to use Balsam. This one is the Powerful Plump Lip Balm, Big O. A little bit plumping, but it doesn't hurt and it doesn't sting like other plumping lip moisturizers. And this gives you a really nice pink color. Okay, next is primer. I am in love with Rare Beauty primer right now. So I put this on my T-zone. This one is the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. I find this very effective and it just smoothens my skin out. I'm not into primers, but this one works. Okay, next is foundation. I'm going to use Forever Dior foundation in 3W. I use 3 pumps when I'm filming. When I'm not filming, I only use 2. I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics number 7 brush. I love this brush. After the brush, I'm going to use my damp sponge. Next is concealer. I'm going to use the Forever Skin Correct. This one is 2.5N. I'm going to use another concealer. This one is closer to my skin. It's the Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 385 Amber. For my contour, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Bronzer Cream. This one is in light. Okay, yes, I'm still light. This is going to bring back all the depth that I took off with putting foundation and concealer on my face. I'm stamping. And then I'm gonna blend it with the same brush. Alright, next I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. I find this very nice under my eyes, also all over my face. Okay, for my brows, I got new products, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use them. I'm really excited about these products because I am a fan of Makeup by Mario. He released brow products and I got 2 products, which are the Master Blade Brow Pencil in Deep Brunette, and I also got the Master Hold Brow Gel in Clear. I know that there are 2 ways that you can use them. I use the brow pencil first. This is an automatic brow pencil. There is a spoolie on the other side. So what I do is I lift everything up first. So this is going to show me where my eyebrow is needing help, which area is very sparse. So right here I don't have hair. So what I do is do those spots first. What I do next is I create the shape that I want. So right now I kind of want to have a straight brow, then an arch brow, and then here I'm gonna draw upwards, so it's gonna look like hair. So there we go. This is the clear brow. The spoolie is extra long. One side is just a natural spoolie. So I'm gonna lift this up. So my other eye, I'm going to use the clear brow first and then the eyebrow pencil. But this is my good brow though. Look at that, it's so cute. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit so it doesn't mix with a pencil. All right, next I'm going to use the pencil. Okay, I really like how this came out, but I'm not sure if it's just the brows because this is my good brow. I'm going to get a little flat brush and get concealer. Just clean this up a little bit. Alright guys, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. This is the newest launch from Natasha Denona. From a mini palette, they launched a bigger palette, 15 shadows. This is the packaging. It's the same color as the palette. At the back, it's still matte and there are holes at the back so you can pop them out. These are the shadows, 15 shadows from Natasha Denona. My favorite shadow would be Psychedelic and Helio. They're so pretty. I really like using these colors. First, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Rebellion. It's the darkest shade in the palette and it's also creamy, very creamy. By the way, this is the Morphe M32 brush. For sure, this is a very creamy formula. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna blend the edges here. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This one is called Apart. Okay, I put that at the outer corner here and just blend it. It's easy to blend and easy to apply because it is cream as well. Cream to powder. Okay, next I'm going to get a blending brush. This one is from ColourPop. This one is called Grove. So I'm gonna put that here. All right, next with my finger, I'm going to get this shade Helio. Super shiny. I'm gonna put that in the middle. Next, I'm going to get Go-Go right here. I'm going to put that under my eye. Go-Go is also a cream to powder. I'm also going to put a little bit right here on top just to blend the harsh areas. And then with the same brush, I'm going to get Aroma. I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm gonna get a pencil brush. This one is the Morphe E18. I'm gonna dip in Aroma again and pack this at the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna get a blending brush right here and blend out the harsh lines around the shadow. I don't want it to be harsh and I want it like really nicely blended. It helps a lot. When you blend with a clean brush, it makes the eyeshadow really nicely blended. Fun part, we're going to play with the glitters. I'm going to use Psychedelic here in the inner corner. And bring it up. You don't even need a primer for this. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use a lip liner. This one is from KKW Beauty. It's the 90s Vogue lip liner. So I don't have an eyeliner in this shade. And I think that lip liners and eyeliners have the same formula. Maybe I'm wrong, but it works for me. I know that Melt has this kind of shade if you guys are looking for one. Also Urban Decay. I'm going to line my upper here with a black liner. Superhero mascara from It Cosmetics. Look at the difference, guys. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. So there are 2 creams and 2 powders. One is a bronzer. I don't want to use the cream with my finger. I'm gonna dab it right here. So it's not disturbing any makeup underneath, which is amazing. It brings that dewiness of my skin. It looks really nice, like porcelain skin. Cool, I like it. All right, I want to try this one. It's a creamy formula as well, but it's golden, very golden compared to the other one. I want to put this right here on top of my eyebrows. If you're really tan, this is a very nice shade. I'm going to use the bronzer. Before I use the bronzer, I'm going to close the creams so the powder doesn't get to the creams with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH04. I think that the KKW Beauty Mauve blushes are really gonna be nice for this look. One is a fuzzy pink and the other is Rose Quartz, almost identical. Rose Quartz is tad bit darker. Okay, with my RT300, I'm going to use the darker shade first, which is Rose Quartz right here. I'm gonna put that closer to my bronzer. Blend that in, nice. Okay, next I'm going to use the lighter shade, Fuzzy Pink, and I'm gonna put that right here, apples of my cheek. Maybe a little bit on my nose. I forgot to use the powder highlighter here. This is one of those highlighters that are so hard, but they're good when it comes to blending. Just a little bit here on my nose. And a little bit on my cheeks. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Trust the process all the time. It looks so pretty, look. Wow. I have to admit, I was kind of nervous when I was doing my eyes, but it turned out so good. And look at my skin. I was thinking I wanted to use my KKW Beauty lip liners from the Mauve collection because it really goes along with Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. But I have a new matte lipsticks and it's from Prestige brand. I really love it. These are Kilian. It's called Le Rouge Perfume Long Lasting Ultra Matte Liquid Lip Color. So they are scented liquid lipsticks. There is one that I think that is gonna go along with this look. Rose Cruel. It is a mauve pink, so pretty. This is the box. How pretty is that? It's nice, it's heavenly. It looks like their atomizer for their perfumes, travel size perfume. Very luxurious. There is a K, if you guys can see it. It's so pretty. K for Karina. I love Kilian. I'm obsessed with their perfumes and I am just discovering their lipsticks. Recently, they launched this liquid lipsticks and it smells like my favorite perfume from Kilian, which is Love Don't Be Shy. It's very cotton candy, sweet, and that's the scent. It's so good. Let's try it. So I still have a little bit of moisturizer on my lips, but it's not slippery. Look at that. It's like same color as my lips. It's so pretty. Wow. They have 6 colors from this line and I only got 4 of them. I wish I can get all of them, but they're so expensive. Okay, this lipstick is legit so good. The formula is amazing and it tastes so sweet. Wow. But if you're not into perfume in your makeup, this is not gonna work for you because it's very perfumey. It tastes like orange blossom too. It's so good. It's so good. It smells so good. The formula is absolutely beautiful. I am so thrilled to have this lipstick. It's so pretty too. Love Don't Be Shy is such a beautiful scent. This lipstick is absolutely a dream for me. I think if I put lashes, I'm gonna cover in a nice eyeshadow, so I'm not gonna do it. Okay guys, time to see the beautiful lipstick from Kilian. This is Rose Cruel. Alright guys, so this is the look for today. Absolutely stunning. I'm in love with my eyes and my lips and my skin. I was actually nervous about the foundation. I thought it was too light and I was nervous with my eyes too. I thought it was gonna come out really bad, but it came out so nice. combination with the shimmer just came out so beautifully. The lipstick is absolutely beautiful. I love this lipstick. I think it's worth it. About this palette, I think it's appropriate for this season. Love this palette. It looks like I'm actually glad that Natasha Denona stayed with these colors. The small retro palette has greens in it. There's so many looks that you can do with this eyeshadows. She already mastered her formula, so they're not new. Next to neutral browns, I love these shades. They're very wearable and they make my brown eyes look so good. This is my color. Also, I'm a Scorpio. For some reason, every time they make Scorpio palette, they use these colors. For this palette, I bought it from Sephora. It is retail for $65, which is not bad for 15 shadows. I think that Natasha Denona should stick with this price range and also this palette size. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot because, you know, if you have more followers, you get more PR, and that would help my channel a lot. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Snooze.